Hello, in today's short information video we'll be talking about ChatGPT for copywriting, so let's get started. In today's fast-paced digital world, effective copywriting is the key to capturing attention, engaging audience and driving conversations. That's where ChatGPT comes in. It's a cutting-edge AI-powered tool designed to revolutionize your copywriting game. ChatGPT is more than just a chatbot, it's an advanced language model trained on a vast amount of diverse data, enabling it to understand the interactions of human language and generate persuasive and compelling copies. Whatever you need, attention-grabbing headlines, persuasive sales copy, or engaging social media posts, ChatGPT has got you covered. With ChatGPT, you can bid farewell to lengthy delays and time-consuming back and forth with copywriters. Its lightning fast response time ensures quick turnarounds, allowing you to meet tight deadlines and launch campaigns with efficiency. Says goodbye to bottlenecks and hello to accelerated productivity. What sets ChatGPT apart? It is adaptivity. It effortlessly adjusts to your brand voice and tone, ensuring consistency across all your communication channels. From formal corporate messaging to playful and with brand personas. ChatGPT adapts to your unique style, creating seamless and engaging brand experience. But ChatGPT isn't just limited to copywriting. It's a versatile extended to a range of creative tasks such as content generation, brainstorming ideas, and providing creative suggestions. It's like having a team of skilled copywriters at your fingerprints, ready to assist you at any time. One of the most powerful aspects of ChatGPT is its ability to provide data-driven insights. By analyzing customer interactions and performances, it helps you understand your audience better, enabling you to refine your messaging and drive more targeted campaigns. With ChatGPT, you can make informed decisions backed by addictable data. Ready to elevate your copywriting game, unlock the power of ChatGPT and witness the transformation in your customer interactions. So, I asked ChatGPT for some benefits. You can ask it yourself, or you can read them on your screen right now. Some benefits, and I asked for a quick example, and it gave me a quick example. So, guys, thank you for listening and watching to this quick informational video. If you have some other questions or other something else, you can ask in the comments. And if you need some more information or tutorials, we have it on the channel. And see you in the next one. Bye.